Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video gonna see how to filter messages in Kafka Consumer, right? So this is a very good use case I will tell. I mean, uh, in one of my project, uh, we faced this requirement. So the thing is like that one topic will be there, one Kafka topic will be there, and in that topic different messages will be pushing to that particular topic, not a single messages. Different messages will be sent to that topic, right? Because multiple consumers are consuming from that topic, right? So our task is to read some particular messages, right? Suppose if that message contains our team name or our project name, then we should read that messages, else we should discard that message. Else we should discard message, right? So if something is present, some particular phrase is present, a particular word is present in that message, in that Kafka message, or in that Kafka key, or in that Kafka header, some supporting data. Suppose our team name is, or our project name is this one. If that message contains our project name or our team name, then we should read, else we should not read that message, right? So how to achieve that one, we'll gonna discuss in this video, right? So already I have uploaded lot of videos regarding Kafka. So all those related videos, video link I will provide in the description section. You can watch those videos as well, right? So today's video I will focus on only filter part, because already I have developed a Kafka consumer, right? So that video description, in the description section I will give that link as well, right? So in this video I will show you how to set that filter, right? Let me open this consumer. Okay, let me explain you this code a little bit, right? So this is a Spring Boot application only consumer with Java configuration based consumer, right? So all those configuration details, let me close this entire thing, right? So this is the pom.xml. If you see, only Spring Kafka is present, no web, any other dependencies are not there, right? Then structure Kafka consumer Java config based. This is the only consumer with configuration based, right? So here is that configuration is present over here. So here what we are doing, we are creating a consumer factory where we are putting all those details, right? So where our Kafka is running and how to deserialize that values, and we are providing in the default Kafka consumer factory this configuration, right? We are taking this map localhost 9092 is the default port for Kafka, and we are providing here like bootstrap configuration details, right? And here what we are doing, we are creating a Kafka listener container factory which will use by Kafka listener, right? So here we are creating a concurrent Kafka listener factory, and we are setting that consumer factory object, right? This consumer factory object we are setting over here, right? And let's see that consumer program is very simple. If you see here, Kafka consumer is the class we have annotated with that service, so that it will act as a bean in Spring container, IOC container. And at that Kafka listener, this annotation is required, right? So here topics, from which topic will read the messages we have defined over here, right? So here consumer record, this belongs to Kafka client. This is the more generic way to read those Kafka messages. Consumer record dot value we are reading over here, right? So here every messages will read irrespective of no filter. Here we have not applied any filter, every messages it will read, right? So let me show you here. Already I have a Kafka consumer. If you see here, already Kafka consumer. So here already I have a controller. What is this? Endpoint is there. If you push this endpoint, from this endpoint this message will come to this message body, and it will push to Kafka producer, right? So already I have started all the servers. So if you see here, Kafka servers already started, Zookeeper and Kafka, both the servers started. Now let's hit. So what is that message? Hey all, comment in my videos. Let's send. Message published. If you see here, acha, I have not started. Right, consumer, let's start this consumer. It will read. Then we'll write that filter. I will show you how to write the filter. Hey all, comment in, sorry, hey all, comment in my video, right? We are receiving. Now let's see. Hey all, subscribe my channel. Message, Control Z, it will come. No, what is this? Hey all, subscribe. CHANNEL. Here we go. Now see, hey all, subscribe my channel. Every messages we are getting, right? Now let's apply one filter. That use case already I told, right, starting up that video. So what is the use case where you use this one? Simple. With this factory we'll apply set record filter strategy. So how you want to filter those records? Here it will take a lambda. If you see here, record filter strategy, right? This is a functional interface, I guess. Let's go, we'll see, right? Filter, record filter strategy interface, right? So this is a functional interface you are seeing, right? Only one method is there, right? Now let's we'll pass a lambda over here and we'll write. I mean, we can pass anonymous inner class as well, but Java it is there, right? Lambda will pass consumer record, and here we'll do if consumer record dot value, means that message will get, right? Whatever the Kafka message will get. If value dot contains Java Shastra, if it contains Java Shastra, then pass, then forward it to consumer. Return false, right? If return false means it will forward it to consumer, or else it will discard. Return true, right? Concatenates contains, man, contains. Okay. Sorry. So this is that pretty clear thing, right? So again, just see in that class what we are doing. This is a Java configuration classes, right? So all that consumer details, right? So where that Kafka server is running, so all those properties we have defined in this map in the consumer factory method, right? And we are providing as a key value pair bootstrap server config, group id config, key deserializer and value deserializer, everything we have configured over here. And here we are creating a Kafka listener container factory, right? And here we are setting a set record filter strategy. So how you want to filter those records, right? Now if that message contains Java Shastra, then only it will read in that consumer, or else it will discard, right? Let me start the server and we're gonna see. Let me run it again. So I will upload this repo into GitHub. You can, and I will give that link in the description section, and you can happily enjoy, right? I mean, you can play around it, and you can import, and you can have practice this thing, right? Okay, now let's post this message and we're gonna see whether it's able to read. Hey all, subscribe my channel. Just see, it will not gonna read. Just see, is it reading? No, right? Now we'll put this key Java Shastra. Hey all, subscribe my channel Java Sastra, right? If you okay, let's send. Now it will able to read. Let's see. Hey all, subscribe my channel Java Sastra. Okay, let's again change something. Hey all, comment in my videos. Let me remove this string. Java Sastra I am removing. Control X. VIDIE videos. I'm little poor in this spelling, so VIDU correct, right? Okay, no worries. I mean, okay, now let's push. Okay, just see whether we are reading. Nope. Now let's change. Hey all, comment in my videos. Java SHASTRA. Now let's see. Message published. Okay, maybe some typo, right? Let's put search published. Just see. Hey all, comment in my videos of Java Sastra. It's coming, right? If this string is there, contains, if Java Sastra contains in my message, then only it reading. Else it's not able to reading, right? So use case already I have explained where we have used this one, right? So in this way we can apply filter in that Kafka consumer, right? So hope this video is helpful to people. Please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, right? So please have some comment in the comment section, and if you want any other videos, then let me know so that I will upload those videos as well, right? So thank you for watching.